sir. My name is Kyle J. Tumangan. Welcome to my blog, sir. I will discuss the importance of information and communication technology in our daily life. ICT has an important role in the world sentence. We are now in the information age era. With ICT, the company can make the business easier to happen with the client, supplier, and distributor. It is also very important in our daily lives. The lack of appropriate information at the right time will result in low productively, low quality research works, and waste of time to pursue information even to do research, which others have done or in other countries. Nowadays, ICT cannot be separated from our daily needs. ICT has a great impact in our daily lives. For example, we can read our local newspaper using the online newspaper. Another example is we still can get connected with our family, relatives, or colleagues even if we are abroad by using electronic mail like Yahoo, Messenger, call conference, or video conference. Digital computer and networking have changed our economy and concept to an economy with no boundary in time and space because of ICT. It brings a lot of advantages for economic development and let millions of transactions to happen in an easy and fast way. ICT is one of the economic development's two pillars to gain national competitive advantage. It can improve the quality of human life because it can be used as learning education media, the mass communication media in promoting and campaigning practical and important issues, such as the health social area. It provides wider knowledge and can help it in gaining and accessing information. ICT has become an integral part of everyday life for many people. It increases its importance in people's lives and expected that its trend will continue to the extent that ICT literacy will become a functional requirement for people's work, social and personal lives. Thank you, sir. I'm out.